Hey guys, so you can see this particular video and decide to laugh about it and make joke of it, but this particular video right here is deep and there is almost 1 million messages inside this particular video. Like message one video yo gone omo ilé ayé tá wà yìí, a lot of people like ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló máa disguise ara wọn bí helper wá sínú life ẹ, but they are inside your life to ruin you. Like wọ́n wá sí life ẹ láti wá ruin ẹ, láti wá jẹ́ kó kan sójú kan. So now if we are to see it from another angle, this particular boy right here, ọmọ kékeré ni, ó lè má even ní intention láti ṣèkà, which means some helper really want to help you, but the help they are offering you is the help that will ruin your life. So ó wá kù sọ́wọ́ wọ àti tọ́lọ́run bá ṣàánú ẹ̀ kò make a decision tí ò ní bà life ẹ jẹ́, cause tó bá ti ṣe decision make ojú kan lèèyàn máa wà, èèyàn ò ní kọjá bí tí wọ́n wá tẹ́lẹ̀. Ọmọ yìí kéré gan, ó lè má mọ̀ ká fi sense nínú fídíò yìí wò, ká fi nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú fídíò yìí ká fi túmọ̀ ẹ̀ pé ọmọ yìí kéré, ó lè wà innocent, ó lè má mọ̀ pé ìkà lòun ṣe. So now the thing is, if this boy had not showed up, this woman would have taken one step by step till she can have the two.